Hello friends. Welcome back to our channel and third video of the series of tariff determination process in India. In the last video, we talked about the single year and multi-year tariff framework. In this video, we discuss the type of tariff petitions. Before we talk about them, let us see the sample tariff petition filed by a distribution company in the state of Punjab. As we saw in the sample petition, there are broadly three types of tariff petitions, which are as follows. 1. Annual Revenue Requirement (ARR) petition. 2. Annual Performance Review petition or Mid-Term Review (MTR). And lastly, True-Up petition. First we talk about the Annual Revenue Requirement petition. In this petition, distribution companies submit the expected expenditures and incomes of the distribution companies for the upcoming year in the prescribed formats fixed by the State Electricity Regulatory Commission. Next we move to the Annual Performance Review petition. Under this petition, distribution companies cover and submit the half-yearly performance report and tell how well they have performed as a comparison to their expected expenditure and income approved under ARR by State Commission and what are the expected performance of the distribution companies in the upcoming 6 months of the financial year. Now we will talk about the Mid-Term Review petition. Under this petition, distribution companies cover and submit performance report at the time of midterm and tell how well they have performed as a comparison to expected expenditure and income approved under ARR by State Commission and what are the expected performance of the distribution companies in the remaining term of the control period. Finally, we will know about the True-Up petition. Under this petition, distribution companies submit the audited reports and accounts after the end of the financial year or control period in order to assess the real performance of the distribution companies in terms of expenditure and income and technical details. This petition is, in short, a comparison of expected versus actual performance. Moving forward, we will try to clarify about these petitions through an illustration. Before starting off nth year, the distribution company files ARR petition, which basically provides information about the expenditure they will incur in N plus X year. Distribution company files an MTR petition at the mid of the control period, in which they provide information about their performance in the control period till the current period. When control period is just 1 year, such MTR petitions are called Annual Performance Review petitions. After the end of the control period, distribution companies file a True-Up petition, in which they provide information about their performance in the complete control period. Now, when we see sample petition that we shared at the beginning, we come to know that True-Up petition is filed for last year. Annual Performance Review petition is filed for present year. And ARR petition is filed for the upcoming year. Finally, we will come to know why such petitions are filed by the distribution licensees. 1. Power distribution is a highly regulated business. 2. The Commission gets to know about the working of the distribution company along with the technical and financial situation of the distribution company. Finally, by examining these petitions, the Commission gets to know the expenditure and income of the distribution company and consider the information shared under the petition as a basis for the tariff determination process. We expect that you got a good idea about the type of tariff petitions. Comment below to share your views on this tariff series. Like and share the video. Also, subscribe to the channel to see more such videos in future.